Professor Banerjee is from Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur.
Sir, she's not here.
Okay, then in that case, I invite Professor Anupam Shukla, Director IIIT Pune.
My voice is
Professor-
audible?
Yes, audible.
So good afternoon, everybody. So I heard the inputs given by Dr. Rajat Muna, Dr. Avasthi, Dr. Kanchan Chaudhary, Dr. Pankaj Jalota, and Dr. Chaube, and they are very relevant, and they tell us another aspect of the concept. Since multiple entry, multiple exit, this complete scheme has been done by a committee, and I'm part of that. And we have several meetings in last 5-6 months, and then we come out with this structure, which is also a tentative structure, which needs to be structured in a proper way. So we are working on it, and I will say a few things which are seeing the other aspects of the scheme and syllabus. As we know that when we implement this scheme, it should be for the betterment of the students, betterment in the sense they get good knowledge, as well as they become eligible for the placement also, because in IIITs which are in public-private partnership, the placement is very key element for the students for admission. So student undergo the skilling pipeline. Graduates are expected to exhibit the graduate attributes as defined for program accreditation. So, but there are a few bugs in the higher education system which we should take care while implementing the scheme and syllabus. That admission are not meritorious. First year adjustment is challenging due to switch of regional language to English. So there is a provision in the new education policy that the teaching should be done in their own mother tongue in the regional languages. So secondly, that is lack of basic sciences concept, lack of peer learning, lack of self-evaluation, lack of practical skills, lack of ability to apply knowledge to solve real-life problems, weak skills in problem finding, problem solving, and innovation, lack of cross-cultural communication and cross-business functional skills, lack of knowledge of related industry standards, lack of interactive teaching, lack of research-focused student projects, rare scope of incubators, lack of interdisciplinary courses, disconnect with the society. So it would be good to visit some good medical science institutes to witness the interdisciplinary case treatments and weekly all discipline seminars. There should be 80% to 20% ratio, 80% technical subjects, 20% will be liberal arts, Indian heritage subjects. These subjects may have been awarded credits, maybe 1 or 2 credit. Online sessions may have interaction, simulated questions and explanation. Virtual labs may be successful for programming. Subject like electronics, computer hardware may require physical practice in lab. Peer interaction may be encouraged. Self-evaluation will inculcate feel of self-discipline and complete self for excellence. Student projects need to be either well-defined, research-based or industry-based. A course on few subjects which are out of box like biosciences, biodesign, which should be done under collaboration with other institutes, project management, account designing, thinking ideas, and maybe the core subjects of 1 or 2 credits. And at PG level, the thesis work should be consist of some complex problem that is sliced into sub problems. The research student closely interact with the fellow working on the sliced sub problems, and during the mid presentation, all of them need a active participation. Arrangement may be made for teaching and practicing Indian languages. In a semester, we may arrange the interaction with local farmers, small business entrepreneurs and workers, and encourage the interaction in natural local language. So these are few things which keep in mind while designing the scheme and syllabus. Rest the proper structuring of the credits which we have done, they are in the flexible mode. It will also be a better option that instead of fixing the time, they should fix the number of credits before giving any degree. So that's all. And if anything needed in the between, I will let you know about my ideas. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Professor Anupam Shukla ji. Basically, he talked about the